Hey y'all, as you can hear by the engine, he fresh off the ground. Hey man, what kind of oh, that's all HD on the engine collection you got right there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that remind me a little bit of the RNS's look. A little bit. Oh. HD or nothing? Okay. Man, how many miles you put on this joint today?
Today, 388, I believe.
388 out the door to get here?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are changing this radio, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, because that don't like to work with aftermarket systems too well.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So tell the world, man, where you came from, man?
I came from LA, man. I'm from Compton, so I came from LA.
Okay.
Here
On the ground pounding. Okay.
all the way.
And so
Got caught by a little rain.
Little bit of rain caught you?
It wasn't nothing though, It
Okay.
didn't stop me.
It didn't stop you. Okay. Just push on through it, man. See the clear skies above. Just keep on pushing. Keep focusing on the sunshine. Yeah. Well, my peoples, he came down to see me. Said, Rob, I've been watching. How long you been watching me, my man?
I've been watching you. Well, I've been following you for a minute. I've been having my bike for like maybe 6 months. And I got a boy that ride with Great Kings of Africa. He sent me your page, and I started following you. So I'm like, oh, okay. And then I started looking at your YouTube. And man, it's like the best. Well, ain't the best. The best part is just listening to the music.
Okay. The best part.
So
okay.
what we having me is when you be bringing them back to life, man.
Okay. Yeah. You see some stuff that I come across, and I got to rework it and put my twist to it, and bring it back to life,
I'm like, yeah, this version right here, you finna be the only one right here.
Okay.
Music done by Rob, and that's it.
Okay, y'all hear it?
But Harley and Rob.
Okay, so y'all, we gonna check him in and find out what he gonna do today. Most likely, me and him talked about a few scenarios, so y'all wait and see what we come up with. I gotta go. We're on day one of Down South Bike. He got that Sony 7000 out with the 6 button, or should I say the 8 button, as we call those over here. He gonna be loud. Got diamonds in the bag, the big ones. Got Vegas up top, up and lower, both horn joints. Even got the waterproof on the lid. Man, so my man brought all this stuff. He said, Rob, put me on, babe, put me on. So, yeah, we gonna do just that. So all these boxes, but yeah, we pretty much mostly wired already. I think tomorrow afternoon or sometime we'll be having some type of sound jumping off. And so bag lids by Hog Tunes, pretty nice grill. I like how they make these. You combo those with the right speaker on the lid, you be straight. So there we have it. We're gonna get back to work. All right, well, today is over with though. Good night. We never turn our backs on each other. Oh, but now, baby, separated, we can't stand one another. I don't wanna be with you, but that on everything I own. I can't believe I stayed around that damn long. All is Rob at Money's Car Stereo. We got another one going out the block, on the block that is. Call this a 2.5. I got my own ways of labeling things, so when you refer to 2.5, that's it's all a different setup. 2.0, 2.5, 1.5, 3.0, 3.5. It's just for different scenarios of the level of stuff that we have on the bikes. And hey, y'all, don't forget to check me out on YouTube under Big Money Rob, for the latest updates. The stuff that I put usually on my Instagram and stuff will eventually make it over there. But for more content to see what I do, I got a song that we're going to use today. I don't own the copyrights to it, but I think it's noteworthy. The man's talking major stuff and he just feeling himself. You know who he is, the late great Tupac, and all he be talking about is this.
The blind stares of a million pairs of eyes, looking hard but won't realize that they will never see the peace.
We did go around the corner, right? Yeah, we did. Wait a second, what's up? Get my workout on. You ain't know? Minimum 5 houses. In city environments, it'll be even worse because we'll have echoes of buildings. We pretty much in a city, a country-ish, halfway city environment. But you know what he's saying. This used to be part of my intro music. Roll up on like this. So it's all about the intro song. A lot of times attitude about what you want to hear, what you want to portray when you roll up. You know, but once again, Moren's Car Stereo, letting you hear, hell, we letting you see what I see. Once again, we out of here. To be continued. Gotta go. Well, I guess it's that time again. Road trip. Time for delivery. Get this one tank of gas and get up out of here. We should be good with this. Moren's Car Stereo. Gotta go. Gotta go. Ooh, let me see that front look. Torch on. Yeah. Gotta go. Live and direct, Moren's Car Stereo. Man, where are we at today, man?
We're in Moreno Valley Mobile right now.
Yeah, man. Well, man, turn something on, man. Let me see something what you're working with, baby.
Ice my cash, all real, I'm a triple threat. Fuck it up and then leave, come back, fuck it up and leave again. Top of the coupe and it look like Freak Nick. In the hood hollering Freak Meek. Two deep bitches, me and Jay, you're both in the coast I see. Woo! I'm like,
That'll work. That'll work.
Yes, it's working.
Okay, we over here in Red District, you know, we over here turning up, you know, but it's early. What time, man? It's early in the morning over here, man.
Still asleep.
People still asleep. Yeah, we're gonna disturb the pizza. That's for sure, man.
Yeah.
Man, here you go, man. This is to top it off, man. You said with you a large, man. I got you an XL, man. I was like, I don't think that's gonna work for you, man. Like I said, Moren's Car Stereo, we doing home deliveries. You pay the cost, you can be the boss, and we're gonna make it happen for you. Yeah, hit the back of that, man. There you go.
We go. Represent.
We in the house here. We in Moreno Valley once again. We was in Ontario yesterday. You know what I'm saying? We out here making it happen. So, yeah, so bust the corner and come up the block, come on back down. You know, we're going to put it in an apartment complex and we're going to finish this up. Yeah, that part right there, love one. We out here early in the morning disturbing the peace. Hit that one more time, man. Let me know we out here disturbing the peace. Yeah, we out here.
Right there. Look at the smile on that face.
They keep this too hard.
So So now you gotta get your playlists together for what you want to play. So you find the songs that play the best on here. You know, these songs, these work real good on my bike. This kind of how the bass go. Like watch.
I paid some extra before we ain't come out and don't even wear the shirt. I ain't playing. I hit the bitch and I gave her some rest and I pull on my pants. You know I ain't staying. Go on the store and then get rubber bands. I done got rich, I done put on my man. Choppers in traffic.
So let's go ahead and link this phone in with this, and we done with you. So if your guys ever get a chance, rock and fish out here at Manhattan Beach, California, everybody doing their social distance and masking up somewhat. You know, the nightlife looks pretty good out here. So, you know, let's walk up the block, let you see what I see. How was the food, Victoria?
Excellent.
She said excellent. Okay. All right. I'm looking at you, Victoria. So we out here, take it to the vehicle and get up out of here. Oh yeah.